It is that time of year, and a little portable fan is really going to do the trick. I just looked around and I went on the reviews, and I decided to buy this JISULIFE. This one is, they say, a portable fan, a personal portable fan. And let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. Looks like a little bear. That's pretty cool. It has a cool attachment here, if I can get that out of the bag. And that's a little lanyard or strap, so you can wear this around your neck. And then, of course, it recharges with USB-C, so there's a small USB-C cable in here as well. So it looks cool. It's got like a bear motif, and all you have to do is flip it open. And once you've flipped it open, it's going to go to work. So once you've got it on, there we go. You can have it setting on your desk or something. Let's turn it back on. You can have it setting there, or you can, of course, hold it. And as you can see, if something disrupts the fans, they just turn off. It does have a way to charge, and if you want to use it to pull battery from this to your phone or something, you can charge from it as well. And when you're done with it, you just let the fan blades fold up and it back into the little bear motif. So it folds right open, starts right up, and when you're done, you just fold it back up. Really fun little fan, easy to charge, easy to use. Hope this helps.